Hello, this is Emily speaking.
Hi, Emily. It's Daniel. How are you?
Oh, hi, Daniel. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
I just wanted to ask about our homework.
Sure, which subject?
The English assignment for tomorrow.
Oh, yes. We need to write a short story.
Thanks, Emily. You saved me again.
Good morning, Lucy. Can you answer the question on the board?
Good morning, Mr. Clark. I'll try. What's the question again?
What is the capital of France?
I think it's Paris.
That's correct. Nice job.
Yay! I was a little nervous.
Don't worry, you're doing great. Do you like geography?
Yes, but sometimes I mix up the countries.
That's okay. It takes practice.
Thanks, Mr. Clark. I'll keep learning.
Excuse me, sir. Can we ask you something?
Sure. What do you need?
We're looking for a place that sells fresh fish.
Oh, there's a fish market just down the dock.
That sounds great. Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 4 p.m. today.
Thank you. Do they sell local fish there?
They do. Most of the fish come from our boats.
Wow, that's amazing. We love fresh seafood.
You'll enjoy it. The prices are good too.
Thanks again, sir. We'll go check it out now.
Hey, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I need a little help. Can I borrow some money?
How much do you need?
About $50, just for this week.
Okay, what do you need it for?
I have to pay a bill and I'm short right now.
I see. When can you pay me back?
I can pay you back on Friday after I get paid.
All right, that sounds fine.
Thank you so much. You're a good friend. I'll make sure to give it back right away.
No problem. I trust you. Great. Just let me know if you need more help.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson. How's Ethan doing at school these days?
Good morning. He's doing well. He really enjoys science class.
That's great to hear. Is he making new friends?
Yes, he talks about his friend Jake all the time.
Oh, Jake is a sweet kid. They seem to get along well.
They sure do. They even worked on a project together last week.
That's wonderful. Is Ethan joining any school clubs?
He just joined the robotics club. He's really excited about it.
Wow, that's impressive. He's growing up so fast.
Tell me about it. Feels like he just started kindergarten yesterday.
Hi, can I ask when Dr. Miller is available?
Sure. Are you looking for a morning or afternoon appointment?
Morning would be great. I feel more alive before lunch. I get that. Dr. Miller is free at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Perfect. Can I book that time? Of course, Lisa. May I have your full name, please? Lisa Raymond. I've seen Dr. Miller before. Yes, I remember you. He'll be happy to see you again. Thank you, Karen. You're always so helpful. My pleasure.
Hi, Megan. What do you do for work?
Hi, Alex. I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, that sounds cool. Do you work in an office?
Sometimes, but I mostly work from home now.
Nice. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love it. I get to be creative every day.
What kind of things do you design?
I make logos, posters, and social media graphics.
That's awesome. Did you study design in school?
Yep. I went to art school for 4 years.
Hey, Ethan, did you understand the math lesson today?
A little bit. Some parts were confusing.
Yeah, I didn't get the part about fractions.
Same here. Maybe we can ask the teacher tomorrow.
That's a good idea. Do you want to study together later?
Sure. We can help each other.
Great! What time are you free?
How about 4 p.m. at the library?
Perfect. Don't forget to bring your notes.
I won't. And maybe some snacks too.
Good morning. I'm interested in getting a loan. Can you help me?
Good morning. Of course. What kind of loan are you looking for?
I'm thinking about a personal loan to fix up my house.
That's a great reason. How much are you planning to borrow?
Around $10,000. Do I need a lot of paperwork?
Not too much. Just some ID, proof of income, and your credit score.
I have those ready. How long does it take to get approved?
Usually within 2 to 3 business days.
Whoa, that's fast. I need my kitchen to stop looking like a 90s movie set.
Then let's help you upgrade that kitchen.
Hey, Jake, I heard you were sick. How are you feeling now?
Hi, Anna. I'm feeling much better today, thanks.
That's good to hear. Was it the flu?
Yeah, it was. I had a fever and sore throat.
Poor you. Did you go to the doctor?
I did. He told me to rest and drink lots of water.
I'm glad you're okay. We all missed you at school.
Thanks. I missed you guys too.
Do you need anything? I can bring your homework.
That would be awesome. You're the best, Anna.
Hi. Do you have a table by the window available?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have one open.
Great. I love sitting by the window.
It's a nice view, especially during sunset.
Perfect. It's for 2 people.
Got it. Would you like to see the menu now?
Yes, please. I'm already hungry.
Here you go. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Hi there. Can you help me find a backpack?
Of course. What kind are you looking for?
Something simple but strong. I carry a lot of books.
I hear ya. We have some great ones over here.
Oh, I like the blue one. Is it waterproof?
Yes, it is. And it has a laptop pocket, too.
That's perfect. How much does it cost?
It's $45, but it's on sale today for $35.
Awesome. You just made my day.
Happy to help. Let me know if you need anything else.
Hi, I placed an order last week. Can I check the status?
Of course. Can you give me your order number?
Yes, it's #4567. I ordered a pair of running shoes.
Let me check. Ah, it's on the way. Should arrive tomorrow.
That's great news. I can't wait to try them on.
I hope they fit perfectly. Let me know if you need to exchange.
Will do. Thank you for the quick update.
Anytime. We're always happy to help.
You've been really kind. Thanks again.
You're welcome, James. Enjoy your new shoes.
Hello. Are you the apartment manager?
Yes, I am. How can I help you today?
I just moved in and I want to know about the apartment rules.
Of course. Do you have any specific questions?
Yes. Can I keep a small dog in my apartment?
Pets are allowed, but only small ones and with registration.
I see. What about parking rules?
Each unit has one parking spot. Do you have a cart?
Yes, I do. Can my friend also park here when they visit?
Yes, visitors can park in the guest area.
Thank you. Is there a curfew for noise at night?
Yes, quiet hours are from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m.
That's good to know. Anything else I should remember?
Just keep the common areas clean and you'll be fine.